Good evening and welcome back to our channel today. It's been wonderful discussing all these concepts with each and every one of us. I hope say we enjoy these concepts and we understand this science, both microbiology and biology, as we go ahead. Now, this video is the beginning part of a three-part series, and this three-part series we want to discuss in detail structures wey dey for bacterial cell. Now, it's important to know say these structures wey bacterial cell they use carry out all its life process. We've been dividing these structures, or scientists don't divide these structures into three major parts. We get what they call the external structures of the bacterial cell, we get the cell wall, and then the third one now the internal structures of the bacterial cell. Now this way we take divide the bacterial cell and take understand all the different things we dey for inside the bacterial cell. Now this first video we go use and discuss wetin they call the external structures of the bacterial cell, wetin dey for bacterial cell for outside. And these external structures now wetin dey behind the cell wall of the bacteria outside, where they face the environment, wetin be all of these things. Now the first one we will begin with now structure wey we dey refer to as the flagella. Flagella dey very important, and the singular na flagellum, plural if it be 2 or 3 or 4 we dey call them flagella. Now flagella dey very important. Now wetin we dey call appendage, na structure wey dey attached to bacteria, and e dey for the environment. E be like whip, like cane. And the work of this particular structure wey we dey call flagella na to help move the bacteria, na for locomotion. So as that flagella dey move up and down, e go dey push the bacteria in different direction. Bacteria dey use flagella for movement, locomotion. So any bacteria wey get this flagella, wey dey use the flagella for movement, we dey call that bacteria motile bacteria, meaning say e dey move. And the ones wey no get am, we dey call them non-motile bacteria. Now flagella get about 3 major structures wey dey together to make that flagella. The first one na wetin they call the basal body. That one sit down inside the bacteria, and na from there the root of the flagella dey. Now apart from that basal body, you can't get wetin they call hook. Now wetin comot from inside that basal body wey be the flagella itself, e bin comot from inside the basal body like the hair of wey dey person skin. So e comot from inside the basal body. Now apart from that hair, apart from that flagella wey comot from inside the basal body, the third structure wey dey inside flagella na wetin they call the tips, the end part, and na from there the flagella dey take grow. Now apart from that, we need to know say flagella normally, bacteria normally they get majorly 2 types of flagella. The flagella fit be wetin they call polar flagella or polar bacteria, or we dey call them lateral flagella. Now polar flagella means say the flagella dey at the ends of the bacteria, north pole or south pole of the bacteria. We will say that bacteria get polar flagella. Sometimes too, the bacteria they get flagella wey dey surround them for the side. That kind of flagella we dey refer to them as lateral flagella, and na wetin some bacteria get. Now apart from polar and lateral flagella, e get other ways wey we dey take describe different types of flagella, and we go run them very quickly. One of the ways now say some flagella we dey refer to them as being monotricious. Mono we know say for science, mono mean 1. Now monotricious na say that bacteria get 1 single flagellum, and that flagellum dey either for the north pole or for the south pole, just 1. And now wetin the bacteria they use carry out all in movement. That one dey important. That one na monotricious. The second one na lophotricious. Many a times bacteria dey wey will get more than 1 flagellum. So if you get 2, 3, 4, or 5, all of this, and if you get them for either one side of the bacteria or another side of the bacteria, we will call such a flagella lophotricious flagella. Now the third one na ambidextrous flagella, and this one amphitricious flagella. And this amphi word been come from the word ambidextrous, which means say person wey fit use both hands, left and right hands very well. So amphitricious flagella na bacteria, na flagella wey go dey on top bacteria, wey go dey for the 2 poles of the bacteria. So if you get bacteria wey get flagella wey dey both north pole and south pole at the same time, they refer to that bacteria as being amphitricious in nature. Now the last one na petricious, and petricious means say the bacteria get lateral flagella wey cover them for all the sides of the bacteria. This one dey very important to note. So the flagella na the first external structure of the bacteria wey we go discuss, wey we don discuss about. Now the second external structure na wetin we dey call pilus, pili or fimbriae. E bin mean the same thing. Pilus na singular, pili na plural, or fimbriae. Now this one na thin finger-like projections, little things wey bin comot from the body of the bacteria, be like little fingers wey surround the whole body of the bacteria. Some people dey mistakenly think say these things na for movement, but no be for movement. E get two major actions wey this fimbriae dey help the bacteria carry out. The first one na attachment, adhesion. If that bacteria wan anchor itself, join itself for the body of a particular surface, na those fimbriae the bacteria dey use attach itself to surface. Another thing wey those fimbriae dey do na say sometimes we know say bacteria normally the reproduction na through binary fission, but sometimes bacteria dey undergo wetin we dey call conjugation, and in this one na say two bacteria go come together, come create passage wey go join two of them together. They go come exchange some of their genetic material. If they do am finish, they go divide, go their separate ways. Now, for any bacteria to fit carry out this bacterial conjugation, that bacteria go get wetin we dey call sex pilus or sex pili, and this sex pili e dey comot from fimbriae pilus that you go see this sex pilus wey bacteria go use take undergo conjugation. So this one dey very important. Two external structures wey we don discuss now. We don discuss flagella, we don discuss pili. Now the third external structure wey we dey discuss na capsule. And wetin capsule be? Capsule na viscous substance or layer wey dey surround the cell wall of some bacteria. No be every bacteria get capsule. So you get scientists will say bacteria dey encapsulated, meaning say e get capsule, or we go say bacteria dey naked, meaning say e no get capsule. Now capsule dey very important, and you get two major types of capsules wey dey. The first one na wetin we dey call microcapsule, and this capsule dey surround a single bacterium. If you get capsule wey surround substance, viscous substance wey surround a single bacterium, we refer to that one as a microcapsule. At other times, e dey happen say wetin we dey call bacterial community go dey. That one mean say many bacteria go dey together, dey live together, dey do many activities together. They will come get wetin we dey refer to as slime mold wey go surround that community of bacteria, and e go dey keep them safe, dey protect them for the environment. Now the question you ask me na say wetin be this slime mold and capsule and microcapsule, wetin dey do? They provide protection for bacteria. They keep the bacteria safe. They help the bacteria against drying. If the environment dey too dry, dey too hot, that capsule go protect that bacteria. So e dey help the bacteria too. If the bacteria wan anchor itself, e go help the bacteria. If the bacteria wan avoid human immune system, na see that bacteria find im way into human being, wan dey live for inside human body, that capsule or slime mold go help the bacteria to dey live for inside human body, dey protect the bacteria, keep am safe from all the evil things wey we wan do the bacteria. This one dey very important to note. So these are some of the things wey the capsule dey do, and the capsule dey very important for bacteria. If you put two bacteria down together, the one wey get capsule go dey more resilient, e go thrive better for inside the environment, while the one wey no get capsule fit dey destroyed very easily. Now apart from capsule, other external structures dey. You get wetin we dey call sheaths, sheaths. You also get the other one wey dey call prosteca, and you get the one wey dey call stalks. Now all these things na other external structures wey bacteria get, and many of these structures they perform different functions, and all these functions na to help the bacteria with anchorage. Anchorage or attachment dey very important for bacteria. Any bacteria wey go fit survive for environment need to find a place to perch, need to find a place to hook himself for, so that if he hook himself for that place, he will come dey divide very rapidly from that area, come dey spread go other areas. Na so bacteria dey cause sickness, na so dey cause illness. So e dey important for bacteria to get all these structures. E go help bacteria to fit anchor itself for different areas. Some of these structures wey bacteria dey get to use for this anchorage na structures like prosteca, sheaths, and stalk. All these ones dey very important to note. So we don discuss some of the major external structures wey bacteria get. We don discuss flagella, we don discuss pili, we don discuss capsules, we don discuss prosteca, stalk, and every other structure. Thank you as una don lis ten to this class, and I hope you have a wonderful day.